Fire fishing is a mesmerising sight. Holding a torch over the side of their boat, these fishermen attract hundreds of leaping sardines. As the fish jump into the air, drawn to the light like a moth to a flame, the men catch them with nets. It's a tradition that dates back hundreds of years. The fishermen work up to 6 hours a night during the summer season, catching between 3 and 4 tons of sardines each night. The practice is physically strenuous, and as the season only lasts for 3 months per year, young locals are choosing other careers instead. And so the average age of the fishermen is 60 years old. But the government is encouraging the tradition to continue, organising a fire fishing festival and offering subsidies to the fishermen, in the hope that this will keep the torches burning for future generations to enjoy.